Hey everybody, it's Chef Boy R. Stew in the house, here to talk to you about one of the biggest scams in the food industry that I'm just completely making up, because I think it is. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I bought 40 pounds, or I paid for 40 pounds. I'll show you the little code thing here. Just under 10 pounds. This is a hair over 10 pounds. What I'm hypothesizing here is that between 40 and 50% of the weight that I paid for gets lost. And that just really doesn't sit right with me. If you need 10 pounds of cooked chicken or meat, how much should you really buy? So we're gonna do a test here. This also is just over 10 pounds. This is just under 10 pounds. So we pretty much have right on the nose 40 pounds, which is what I paid for. I'm actually gonna marinate it. So I'm gonna put weight into the meat and see how much we still get. I have 64 ounces of the best marinade you will ever have in your entire life. It is from Wendell's Barbecue down in Springville. I think it's like 40 minutes from here and it's well worth the trip. Vinegar, oil, eggs, poultry seasoning, salt, white pepper. Could I make this myself? Sure, but no idea what they're doing with those poultry secret ingredients, because this is damn good. I'm just interested to see what my final result is and how much chicken actually comes out of 40 pounds worth of chicken. Trimmed off 3 pounds, 4 ounces of waste. The tendon in between the breasts, a little bit of skin, things like that. So we're gonna weigh how much chicken we have left after marinating for about 24 hours. Let's see where we're at now. This is 7 pounds, 8 ounces, 12 pounds, 6 ounces, call that 13 pounds. We are left with 32 pounds and 14 ounces. If we take those 32 pounds and 14 ounces, add the waste of 3 pounds, 4 ounces, that gives us 36 pounds and 2 ounces. Started with 40 pounds. I've got 3 nice big bowls left. What do you think it weighs? Was I right? 21.4 pounds of chicken left. 21.4 pounds. That means we lost 18 pounds from what I paid for to what is edible. So that is 36 pounds pre-trimmed, just magical loss of water, weight, or whatever. 32.14 after the trim. From 32.14 to cook, we were left with 21.4 cooked. We lost 46.5% of our weight from what I paid for. Wow. This was certainly not the most scientific experiment in the world. Sure, let's add a pound of weight for trimming off a little bit too much. Let's add a pound that fell through the grates magically. So even if we did that, that would be 23.4 pounds cooked. It's still an absolute stunning loss. People buy their meat, wonder why there's so little left after a meal. Well, this is why. You buy a family pack of meat and you maybe get one meal out of it for your family, maybe leftovers for one person the next day for lunch. You wonder where it's going. That's where it's going. Almost half of it gets lost to complete and total waste. Mind-boggling. Absolutely mind-boggling.